If you've ever wondered how to pick the right form type in MailChimp, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can understand the different form options MailChimp gives you, and choose the one that fits your website, landing page, or campaign goals. This is really helpful if you want to collect more subscribers without guessing which form to use. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the site loads, sign in to your MailChimp account using your login credentials. After you're signed in, you'll land on the MailChimp dashboard where you can access all of your account tools and settings. Now look at the left-hand menu and click Forms. This is the area where MailChimp stores all of your sign-up forms and form-related settings. If you're trying to manage how people join your list, this is the section you need. Next, click Other Forms from the left-hand menu inside the Forms area. This section includes extra form resources and helpful documentation, so it's the best place to learn about the different form types MailChimp offers. Now scroll down until you find the section titled How to Pick the Right Form Type. When you see it, click the section to expand it. MailChimp organizes this information so you can compare options before deciding which one works best for your setup. Inside that section, click Sign Up Form Types. This will reveal the different sign-up form options available to you, along with short explanations of what each one does. Understanding these options is the key to choosing the right form type for your workflow. Let's go through them one by one. First is the hosted form. This is a form hosted on MailChimp servers. It's a quick and simple option because you can customize it, share it, and link to it from almost anywhere on the web. If you want something easy to set up without dealing with code, this is usually a solid starting point. Next is the advanced hosted form. This is designed for paid users who want more control. The big advantage here is that you can edit the HTML of your hosted form, which gives you more customization options if you need a more specific design or functionality. Then there's the landing page form. This is a simple sign-up form content block that lives on a shareable landing page you create in MailChimp. If you want a standalone sign-up experience without building a full website form, this can be a very convenient choice. Now let's move into forms for your website. The first option here is the embedded form. This is an HTML form that MailChimp creates for you, and you can paste it directly into your site. This is one of the most common choices if you want visitors to sign up without leaving your website. Next is the pop-up sign-up form. This is a JavaScript pop-up form that you can design in MailChimp and display on your website. If you want a form that grabs attention and appears automatically, this can help boost signups. Then there's the sign-up form block. This is a block you place on your website in MailChimp to display a sign-up form. It's useful if you want a built-in MailChimp option that sits naturally inside your page layout. After that, MailChimp shows form integrations and plugins. This is where you'll find add-ons like the WordPress plugin, Squarespace integration, and other tools that help you collect signups on social sites, blogs, or e-commerce and marketing platforms. If you already use another platform, this category may be the easiest way to connect your sign-up form. Finally, there's the Form API. This is the most technical and customizable MailChimp form option. It can be coded from the ground up, so it's best for developers or advanced users who want full control over the sign-up experience. So how do you choose the right one? If you want the simplest setup, start with a hosted form or embedded form. If you need more design flexibility, look at the advanced hosted form or custom API options. If you want something fast and visual, try a landing page form or pop-up sign-up form. And if you're working with WordPress, Squarespace, or another platform, the integrations and plugins may be the most practical choice. The main thing is to match the form type to your goal. Think about where the form will live, how much customization you need, and whether you want a simple setup or a more advanced one. That way, you can choose the right MailChimp form without wasting time testing the wrong option. If this tutorial helped you understand how to pick the right form type in MailChimp, please give it a like, subscribe for more MailChimp and marketing tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.